Hi there! Reena is a very curious and studious girl. Sadly, she can't go to school because her leg has a fracture. But her friend Pooja visits her regularly to discuss everything taught in the school. Yesterday also, Pooja came and started discussing Reena's favorite subject, chemistry. She said, "Today's class was fun. We studied atomic mass. To explain the concept, ma'am had brought 3 packed boxes. All 3 boxes had the same number of safety pins, but the size of the pins in each box was different. We were supposed to measure the mass of each of the 3 different pins. But there was a condition. We were not supposed to open the box and measure the mass of the pins directly. Neither was the number of pins inside the box known to us." Pooja stopped and asked Reena, "Can you guess how the mass of the pins can be measured?" To this, Reena gave a solution. She said, "Well, we won't be able to measure the exact mass of the pins, but we can at least find their relative mass. We know that all 3 boxes contain the same number of pins. Therefore, the ratio of the mass of the whole boxes should be equal to the ratio of the mass of the single pins inside them." "That's right," Pooja said and continued. "So, we measured the mass of all 3 boxes. Then, we considered the pins in the lightest box to be having the mass of 1 unit. The ratio of the mass of the pin in the second box to the mass of the pin in the lightest box was 1.5. Therefore, its mass was taken as 1.5 units, and the ratio of the mass of the third pin to the mass of the lightest pin was 2. Therefore, its mass was taken as 2 units. To this, ma'am explained, "Similarly, we can't measure the mass of single atoms as they are light, but we find their relative mass in terms of other atoms. After doing a lot of experiments, scientists had found out the ratio of the mass of some atoms. Over the years, the mass of hydrogen atom, 1/16 of oxygen, was considered being standard, but eventually the mass of 1/12 of carbon-12 atom is considered as standard and is denoted as 1 atomic mass unit. Relative masses of all other atoms are defined in terms of the atomic mass unit, or AMU. This unit is now renamed as U, that stands for unified mass. For example, the mass of oxygen was found to be 16 times the mass of 1/12 of carbon-12. Therefore, its atomic mass is taken as 16U. Reena was very happy because even the fracture couldn't stop her from learning. See you next time.